And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
So we did something today that we hadn't done in about a week, and that was not hit 90 degrees. Now, Boston and Norwood both had 90-degree temperatures, but for our area, a lot of 80s and even a 78 in Newport. Official high temperature at TF Green was 88 degrees, so the run of 90s comes to an end today. But it was 6 days of heat, 93, 96. But the real hot stuff was Saturday and Sunday when we went 97 and 98. And those were daily high records at TF Green. Check marks for all 6 days. We kind of did like a double heat wave. A heat wave normally is 3 consecutive 90-degree days. We took it out to 6, and then we put the brakes on it today. And I don't think we'll hit 90 again tomorrow. In fact, I think we're back in the 80s for tomorrow. And a feel-good kind of day on Tuesday because it's real humid still outside right now. There's a lot of 70s. Dew points are still very high right now. We got to drop those dew points down, and that's what we're going to do throughout the course of the night and throughout the day tomorrow. Winds aren't all that strong, but the direction is very important. We've had a very strong southwesterly flow throughout the day, humid conditions throughout the day, but now winds are going to start turning a bit more west and northwest during the overnight. Not that they're going to be strong. It's just going to help funnel in some drier air to the north and west. And it's very easy to see. Where you got this dark green color, the dew points are 70 plus. That's oppressive. It makes it feel uncomfortable. When you walk outside, it still has that like sauna-like feel. But off to the north and west, you see a lot of 50s here in the dew points, and that's nice. And that means that air is more comfortable, and that's what's going to be moving in for tomorrow. And that's why tomorrow for Tuesday is setting up to be so nice. What would have been really great was that transition was to avoid severe weather, but get some rainfall. We missed the severe weather, but we also missed the rainfall too. We had one decent downpour that started in Johnston, moved through Providence, then moved into southeastern Mass around 6:30, 7 o'clock, but that was really all she wrote. Everything else has been offshore and to our east, and therefore another miss with the rainfall tonight. So partly cloudy the rest of the night. Temperatures eventually fall back into the 60s. Could have a few upper 50s in interior southeastern Mass mix in. Sets up for a day tomorrow that does not feature 90-degree heat. Mainly 80s across the board from south to north. Partly sunny skies, and what I mean by that is there'll be some clouds mixed in with the sun at times, but less humid, and that air mass being more comfortable will make Tuesday a terrific day, not just in Rhode Island, but for southeastern Mass as well. Yeah, still a little warm for some of you, mid-80s, but not 90s, and that lower humidity will feel really good for the day, especially in the afternoon. No big jumps in temperatures like we saw over the weekend, where we're diving into the 90s by noon. Not the case at all. In fact, settling in those 80s in the afternoon and feeling quite nice. So, rainfall that's left over and offshore right now will continue to move away. Have plenty of sunshine in the morning when you wake up, but some clouds will filter in at times throughout the afternoon, and that's why I've gone with more of a partly sunny day. Going to Tuesday night into Wednesday, any clouds will clear out. Wednesday starts off nice and bright, and the temperatures once again top out in the 80s. We keep the humidity down. I think a little more sunshine for Wednesday than tomorrow, but both days look like they'll be just fine. Going to Thursday, we warm it up a bit, bring in a little humidity. We'll try for another round of rain Thursday night into Friday. Once that rain comes to an end, the weekend looks sunny, bright, and warm with temperatures in the 80s to near 90 degrees. Hector.
Thank you, Jeff. A busy off season for the